main game apa Ingrid?
Saya main game tembak-tembak. You know what to funny?
Dah habis?